Hi folks, welcome to the Richard Cheney channel. I'm Richard Cheney. How are you doing? How is your family doing? Hope you and your family's doing well. Me and my family's doing pretty good. Enjoying the weather much as I can. I'm staying in out of the rain because it's raining out. And we got a lot of rain today and getting a lot of rain tonight. Like I said, at the end of the month, I'll show you more new items, but that will be at the end of the month, plus the items I still have yet to show around here. For those of you that's new to the channel, I do collection videos here. And if you've enjoyed this video so far, please give it a thumbs up. Refer this channel to one of your friends, relatives, don't matter who, long as you share the news. And always remember to be kind and true, always have love in your heart, always respect others, always treat people with respect, make a friend if you can. It's always good to do that. And most of all, always remember to do your best in life because life is short. And always remember, in each month, I'll show you something new. I get something new each month, so be ready for that. And I'll show you all of the items that I get new. I will show you each item. And always remember to do your best in being there for someone that needs you the most. Always remember to just be there. Be there. And always remember to just do all you can and be there. Just help them out. Help them out. Whoever needs you, help them out. It's always good to do that. It's always good to do that. It's just, like I said, all of the items I keep in mint condition at all times. Every item I show is in mint condition. All of the items are all original. None's compilation. I cannot afford to go out and buy compilation items when I can buy the originals for the same price. Can't do it, folks. Can't do it. And always remember to always like, share, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.